In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert decimals to fractions in Google Sheets using two simple methods. Whether you're working on school assignments, managing financial data, or just brushing up on spreadsheet skills, we're making the process straightforward. Let's dive right in, starting with our first method, which involves utilizing custom number formats. To begin, open a Google Sheet where you'd like to perform this conversion. Once you're in your spreadsheet, locate and select cell C3. You'll do this by simply clicking on the cell itself. With cell C3 highlighted, navigate to the top menu and click on Format. This will open a drop-down menu where you can choose Number. By selecting Number, several formatting options appear. Your next step here is to click on Custom Number Format. This is a handy feature that allows you to display your numbers just the way you want them. Now, in the Custom Number Format menu, you'll find several preset formats. Search for the one labeled Nashya Josaj and give it a click. This particular format is what allows the conversion of decimals into fractions, breaking down the numbers for easy readability. Once you've clicked on Hashat, the Apply button will light up. Click on Apply to confirm your changes. After that, if you have a list and want these settings to extend across multiple cells, make use of Google Sheets autofill feature. Just drag the little box at the bottom right corner of your highlighted cell across the cells where you'd like the format applied. For our second method, we're focusing on using formulas, which can often provide more control and accuracy. Begin by selecting cell G3, just as we did before, by clicking on it. Here, you'll input a formula that will convert the decimal to a fraction. Type in the following formula. Text, F3, Make sure to input this accurately. It uses the text function to format the decimal in cell F3 as a fraction. After entering the formula, just hit the Enter key. You should immediately see the decimal in F3 represented as a fraction in G3. Once again, utilize the autofill feature for this method as well, enabling you to apply this formula through a series of cells. This ensures consistency and saves time, especially when dealing with large data sets. Drag the small box from cell G3 down through the cells you want to complete. Now, both methods give you the flexibility to choose which works best for your needs, whether it's quickly formatting cells or applying precise formulas. And there you have it, two effective methods for converting decimals to fractions in Google Sheets. Both are great techniques to keep in your spreadsheet toolbox. Thanks for watching, and make sure to give these methods a try next time you're on Google Sheets.